Welcome to our water treatment equipment manufacturing facility. Spanning over 5,000 square meters, we specialize in custom RO, UF, and filtration systems trusted by clients across 30-plus countries. Our factory is built for scale heavy duty. Overhead cranes and high-ceiling production bays mean we can handle industrial projects of any size, from compact skids to large capacity plants. We keep a fully stocked material warehouse on site. FRP pressure tanks, membrane housings, high-pressure pumps, and precision valves are all ready to go, cutting lead times and ensuring consistent quality in every build. On the production floor, our skilled technicians assemble stainless steel skid systems with meticulous attention to detail. Every frame, weld, and pipeline is crafted using professional tools and held to strict international standards. Our product range covers everything: commercial, reverse osmosis systems, multimedia filters, water softeners, and fully customized industrial treatment plants, all tailored to your water quality and capacity needs. Quality is non-negotiable. Each unit undergoes pressure testing and full performance inspection before shipment, so you receive equipment that's ready to run reliably from day one. Looking for a trusted water treatment partner? Contact our team today and let's build your solution together.